Hello everyone, I'm here in the house of Tatay Marciano to explain the things that he needed in repairing his pedicab. The first thing that he needed in repairing his pedicab is the tire. He needs 3 tires since it is a tri-cicad. Then it will cost 1,650 in buying a tire. The second thing he needed is the hub, the rim, and the spoke. You can buy it by set, and we have to buy 3 set of hub, rim, and spoke, and it will cost 2,100. Then the third thing he needed is the inner tube. It is placed in the inner part of the tire, and it will cost 450. And the fourth thing he needed is the chain. It will cost 200 pesos in buying the chain. And the last and the most important part in the pedicab is the body. He need plain round bars in repairing the body, and it will cost 1,000 pesos.